Hello people, this is going to be a beginner's tutorial to LaTeX, and we are going to use a online editor for it. It's called Shared LaTeX. By the end of this chapter you will be able to create a document which will have all the basic features that like a report has, for example. So you should register at Shared LaTeX if you want to follow this actual tutorial. And if you register, you will see this projects view, and you go to new project, blank project. Let's call it first project, and we created a blank document, and this is how it looks. So this is the output of your document, and this is the source for it. So let's write a document about bicycles. So first, let's change the title. First project, let's change it to best document in the world. And also let's change the author to me, to my name. And yeah, okay, so if you compile it now, you will see that the author and the title changes. See? So that's kind of nice. And let's construct the structure of our document. So it will have a section about road bikes, and it will have a section about mountain bikes. Let's just call it the world about bikes. Okay, so now I created these three sections, and if you compile it, you will see 1 2 3 4. No, sorry, 1 2 3. And you can actually remove the numberings from the sections, like so. So if you put a star, it removes the numbering. Check it out. Yeah, but I want it with the numbers. And I will use a package which generates text. So it's use package libsum. And I just looked at my cheat sheet because I wasn't sure. So let's put text there. So this is what it would actually look like if you inputted some text in the document. So it means libsum, so that means put some random text, and 10 lines of it. So 10 lines here and 10 lines there. Okay, so let's check out our document now. I remember I've put back the numberings. Okay, so now let's create subsections. So for the introduction, let's not have a subsection, but for the road bikes, let's have a subsection about yeah. So they are race bikes, and also they are like, I don't know, city road bikes. And again, let's put some text in there, and let's do the same thing to mountain bikes. So let's have a section about cross country, and another subsection about downhill bikes. Okay, so again, let's put some text in it, and you will see what happens. So this is the subsection, this is the section city. Again, with the mountain bikes, you have the cross country and downhill. Let's okay, so now we wrote a text with the sections and subsections. Now we need the table of contents. So let's put the table of contents here. The comment for it is just table of contents, which is I think kind of nice. It's very clean cut. There you go. So you have the section, subsection, sort of description or layout. Okay, now I would like to introduce you to some of the other things. Let's do it in the introduction. So, okay. So I will try to demonstrate the kind of things you can do with the fonts. So you can emphasize it. I mean, there are many more things you can do. I'm just trying to show the basic commands. So emph makes it emphasized, which is basically italic. Text BF it stands for boldface. And yeah, okay, let's do a size command. It has a different syntax. So with the emphasize and text BF, it was command and then the text in brackets. With the size, it's different. It's you put the command and the text in the same in the brackets. So let's do a huge one and let's do a tiny one as well. Okay, there you go. So now the introduction should change drastically. So the first will be emphasized. The second is boldface, the third is huge, and the fourth is tiny. Okay, and the last thing I would wanted to show in this tutorial was the enumeration and the itemization. So what am I doing here is create an enumerate and itemize environment, and you can put items. So this is the introduction. So I'll talk about this and that, and itemize this. Yeah, I don't know. Still don't. There you go. So now it should have a enumeration and itemization. Yeah, there you go. So this is the enumeration and this is the itemization. So I think this covers actually the basics. You can create a document looking like this with the comments. So this is the slash table of contents command seen here. This is section as seen here, section introduction and section road bikes, and also these are the subsections, and I think that kind of covers the main basics. So in the next lessons we are going to talk about tables and more complicated things. Thank you for watching.